Today I'm going to review, swatch and show you the 3CE Mood Recipe Lip Color Mini Kit 2. The Mini Kit 2 is more about nude, pale, reddish colors, while the Mini Kit 1 is more about the brown, nude colors. The Mini Kit 2 is advertised as having primer-like matte texture, creamy application, and being pigmented. The kit is retailed at $51. Let's now first swatch them on my arm. Brilliant is the driest shade in the kit. The color is super sheer and it just keeps on failing on appearing on my lips in a nice way. I don't think this shade is creamy at all and the color does not show up on my inner bottom lip. 220 Hit Me Up is pretty pigmented and the color goes towards an orange brick color. The color doesn't seem to fit my skin tone and is not flattering on my lips. I would not ever use this color for full lip application, but maybe used it for a combination with other colors. Also, I don't think this shade has a creamy application at all. 218 Mirror Like has a nice pinkish color, but the formula is dry and does not make a smooth application at all. The color is somewhat like my real lip color and I wish it would be more pigmented. 221 Mellow Flower is an even redder color. It is pretty pigmented and gives a smoother application compared to the previous three. It can be a good standalone lipstick and super useful for a lipstick combination with a paler shade. 222 Step and Go is the most pigmented of them all. The red matte color is super bright. It has a smoother application as well and the formula is not as dry as the palest shade. When you leave it on your lips for long, it will of course make your lips dry, just like most matte lipsticks. But this one passes as being decent enough in my opinion. In conclusion, if I were to buy a full-sized version, I would probably just buy the 221 Mellow Flower and 222 Step and Go. The other three are too sheer or dry or just do not perform decent enough. But honestly, this kit does not convince me to get the full-sized versions either. If I want the color 221 and 222, I would probably just try buying from other brands instead of 3CE.